If you had $10,000 sitting in your bank account right now, what exactly would you do with it? Because here's the truth, your first 10,000 isn't just money. It can change your entire financial future, but only if you know how to use it. Get it wrong or let it sit in a savings account doing nothing, and you could lose out on hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. But by the end of this video, you'll know the exact step-by-step plan for investing your first 10,000 safely, confidently, and strategically, even if you've never invested before. And before we get to step 1, there's one beginner mistake that destroys more wealth than any market crash. We'll reveal that at the end. Your first 10,000 isn't just a number, it's momentum. It gives you confidence, it shows you that saving is possible, and it opens the door to bigger options in life, more freedom, more choices, and more control. But here's what most people miss. Your first 10,000 sets the pattern for your entire financial future. It determines whether you'll spend your life catching up or quietly building wealth for decades. And that's why leaving that money in a simple bank account is one of the biggest hidden mistakes beginners make. Savings feel safe, but safety can be expensive, because while your savings sit still, the world around you doesn't. Prices rise, markets grow, opportunities pass. Your savings protect you, but your investments grow you, and you need both. Before you invest a single dollar, you need a safety net. Build an emergency fund first. 3 months of expenses if you're single, 6 months if you have a partner or dependents, 9 months if you want maximum security. This emergency fund belongs in a high-yield savings account, not the stock market. Why? Because when life surprises you with a job loss, a breakdown, or a medical bill, you shouldn't be forced to sell your investments early. Once your emergency fund is secure, make sure any short-term goals, like travel or saving for a down payment, are also in cash. Your $10,000 should not be doing 3 jobs at once. After your foundation is strong, your money is finally ready to grow. Now here's where everything changes. Savings accounts today might pay around 3 or 4%. Not awful, but nowhere close to what a diversified investment portfolio can earn over the long term. Historically, the stock market returns around 7 to 10% per year. That difference might sound small, but watch what it does to your $10,000. At 4% interest in a savings account, your $10,000 grows to just under $15,000 after 10 years. But at 8% in a diversified investment, it becomes over $21,000. Same person, same starting amount, same 10 years, just one better decision. And the gap doesn't just grow, it explodes. After 20 years, the savings account reaches about $21,000, but the investment account grows to nearly $47,000. That's the power of compounding, when your money earns money, and then that money earns more money. Your first 10,000 isn't just a deposit, it's the spark that powers the entire compounding engine. Now let's talk about where your money should actually go. Start with your workplace retirement plan if you have one, especially if your employer matches your contributions. That is free money, and you never pass up free money. Next, open a tax-advantaged investment account, such as a Roth IRA. Tax-free growth is one of the greatest wealth-building tools available to everyday people. After that, any extra investing goes into a regular taxable brokerage account. This structure helps you pay less tax, grow your wealth faster, and take advantage of every benefit available to you. So what do you actually invest in? If you're a beginner, keep it simple. Diversified index funds are your best friend. An S&P 500 index fund, a total stock market fund, or a global all-world fund all give you instant diversification across hundreds or thousands of companies. Before choosing a fund, always check the fees, called the expense ratio. Lower is better because a tiny difference in fees can cost you tens of thousands over decades. Once you've chosen your fund, automate your contributions. Set it, forget it. Let time and compounding handle the rest. Remember the frustration of watching your money sit in your bank account doing nothing? That low-grade guilt of knowing you should be doing more? Automating your first 10,000 into a simple investment plan removes that guilt forever. Your money is finally working as hard as you do. But there are 3 beginner mistakes that can cost you thousands. Mistake number 1, waiting for the perfect time. This destroys more wealth than any market crash. Time in the market always beats timing the market. Mistake number 2, chasing trends. Hot stocks, hype coins, miracle opportunities. This is how new investors lose confidence fast. Investing is supposed to be calm and mostly boring. Your excitement should come from your life, not your portfolio. Mistake number 3, selling during downturns. Markets fall. They always have, always will. But the investors who stay calm, keep contributing, and stay invested are the ones who come out ahead. Your system can be boring. Your wealth will not be. If you remember just one thing from this video, let it be this. Your first 10,000 isn't about getting rich. It's about building the habits that will make you rich. And now that you know exactly where your first 10,000 should go, your next step is learning how to make your portfolio grow automatically with zero guesswork. If you want simple, powerful financial systems that work in the real world, hit subscribe for weekly Networth Inc. blueprints. And once you're ready to build your investment strategy, click the video on your screen to learn how to create a portfolio that grows on autopilot. This is Networth Inc., where your money learns to grow.